So let's count down to the open with the top 10. These are the only trades you need to know about today. Scarlet Fu stays with us, and Alex Steele joins in as well. Let's start with number 10, ladies. Oracle, the business software maker, reported first quarter earnings that topped the street's estimates, but issued a weaker than projected outlook for the remainder of the year. Oracle warned that it still has to close big corporate deals to stay on track. That stock is down, Scarlet.
Well, number 9 is Agilent Technologies, the maker of scientific testing equipment, which spun off from Hewlett-Packard more than a decade ago, now plans to split up into 2 public companies itself. After the spinoff, Agilent expects to have $3.9 billion in revenue for the current fiscal year. Alex?
Number 8, Take-Two Interactive, for all you gamers out there. The software developer's latest addition to its widely successful Grand Theft Auto franchise sets a new sales record, with its newest game netting $800 million in a single day. The debut of Grand Theft Auto 5, I should say, was the biggest ever for Take-Two. Betty?
Number 7, Groupon. Steve Nicholas upgraded the Daily Deal site to buy from hold, citing continued acceleration in its core U.S. local business, increased mobile usage, and improved margins. Groupon shares are moving higher on that news.
How about number 6, BioMarin Pharmaceutical? Shares of the drug company surging on a report that Roche is lining up $15 billion in debt financing for an acquisition. Roche could pay up to $105 a share for BioMarin, which makes treatments for rare diseases as well as cancer. Alex?
Well, guys, check out number 5, which is Disney. Morgan Stanley downgrading the company for the first time in more than 4 years, cutting its outlook from overweight to equal weight with a price target of $70. Morgan Stanley said that acquisitions are now key to upside for Disney. Betty?
At number 4 is Tesla Motors. The electric car maker is on track to modestly outperform margin expectations for the third quarter and see substantial volume growth next year, according to Deutsche Bank. Tesla has seen its market value top $20 billion this year.
And number 3 is Apple. Today is the 1-year anniversary of the tech giant's record high. It is also the eve of Apple's big product launches. We're talking the iPhone 5S and 5C. Fans have already started lining up outside of stores in hopes of getting their hands on the latest smartphones.
We're also checking out Rite Aid, ticker RAD. The third largest drugstore chain surged after reporting unexpected second quarter profit due to continued sales growth and actually stronger margins. Rite Aid also raised its earnings forecast for the year, despite saying that it expects lower benefit from new generic drugs. Betty?
Well, there is a cloud over J.P. Morgan at number 1. The Wall Street giant paying $920 million in penalties and admits wrongdoing to settle charges with 4 regulators over the London Whale probe. So J.P. Morgan isn't in the clear yet. It's still facing investigations by the CFTC and the Department of Justice and other state attorneys general.